Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change home on Google Maps. So on this Google Map app you have to go for in the saved option. Now go for level, click on this home three dot option, click on it and go for edit home. Now you can just remove it and you can choose your home from here. So it's added now. So this is how you can change home on Google Maps. Hope this video helped to you. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.